and see if I can do the double. So you got to keep it on the inside. Yes, you can. You just can't go out on the loose loamy stuff. Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. I am at a new place, new location. So our local 1/10 scale off-road track, Electrosport RC, we're no longer able to race there. So they built a new facility. This is at MX 101. You can Google that to find out where it is. It's in the outskirts of the west end of Ottawa. And this is SDLRC. And they built an outdoor 10 scale off-road track at the motocross park. So this is an all new build. This will be the second week that they've been racing. They've been building this over the past month or two, getting it ready. It's old school, it's dirty, it's dusty, it's old school. The track needs to be broken in, but they've built it and they've done a great job in a short amount of time. I'm standing under a pretty awesome driver stand, nice and high. You can see everything on top of a shipping container. So I'll walk down now into my pits and you'll get to see behind me what I was in. So they built a nice roof for shade because we're in the middle of the wilderness here. There is no shade. It's on a shipping container. Now that's the driver's stand. Get up there on that pile of dirt and the track has been built out below it and we're just pitting in the grass. Old school pitting, no power, no amenities. Use your vehicle to charge your batteries or bring a generator or bring a little battery bank with you. Here I am now down at ground level. Similar kind of features that we used to have, tabletop. I've actually never driven this yet. I'm gonna go try it right now. We've got a double here, a little sweeping bank corner, a tabletop, nice little on-road section, straightaway. And they were able to retain the timing system and the loop of the old facility. So what this club is called is Wednesday Night Worlds. If you're in the Ottawa region and you're looking for it on the Facebook groups, because that's how most of the stuff is organized, is through Facebook, you're looking for Wednesday Night Worlds RC Racing. That's the club for this facility at SDLRC. So we're just going to go to my pits now and get my car and try it. I don't have a really appropriate tire for here. I'm using my old stuff. This kind of all happened without much notice. So most of the tires that I own are all slicks, bars, meant for like highly groomed, MX track, right? It's noisy. Most of my tires are all 10 scale, are all highly slicks, grooms, bars. So this is the only pin tire that I have left in four-wheel drive, is these used Sprinters in blue. And these were the most aggressive bar tire I had that I would try on two-wheel drive. So I have a new dirt web on the front and a space bar on the rear. So we're gonna go try it out in four-wheel drive now and see how it goes. We're gonna get some practice laps right now just to try it, because we're gonna lose light in the next couple of hours, and they have installed lights. But I've only seen photographs of how bright it gets. I'm not sure if it's going to be bright enough for video. So let's see if I can still drive a 10 scale RC. Off-road dirty dirt. Whoa, I almost needed to marshal myself immediately. So these are my worn down Sprinters. Whoa, she's dirty. Really easy to overdrive. Really easy to overdrive. I probably need to raise my ride height. Setup wise, my car is set up for the groom tracks. So yeah, I think I need to raise myself. Whoa! Man, I just really can't put the power down. Whoa! And I'm upside down in the double. I have raised my shocks a little bit. Give it a try. See how it goes. Oh, it feels so much better with the higher ride height. I'm definitely gonna have to do that to my two-wheel drive. Getting around okay. Oh, it's a little loose. Oh, I should dial in up. Having a reverse would probably be useful for while the new track build breaks in. Oh, just no traction. That was all wheel spin. Oh my goodness, you also you don't have smell-o-vision like the two-stroke motorcycles, motocrosses. Quite potent. Anyway, yeah, so this is 4-wheel drive. Next we'll try my 2-wheel drive. That's gonna be an S show. All right, so if you get off the racing line, it's extremely loose. But on the racing line, it's not too bad. Let's see if I can do the double. So you gotta keep it on the inside. Yes, you can. You just can't go out on the loose, loamy stuff. So yeah, 4-wheel drive is appropriate. You just have to pick your line. Don't overshoot, because once you overshoot and you get on off the racing line, you just wheel spin. There's no traction to launch yourself up off the jumps. Okay, let's try 2-wheel drive. I expect this is not going to go well. These tires are not appropriate. We're just going to see if I can actually get around, if I have any traction to make the car move and do the features on the jumps. It doesn't look great so far, although I'm... Oh boy. I'll just be rolling it around. Okay, let me add in a bunch of negative exponential, because I also had to upgrade my firmware on my radio, so all my exponentials are zeroed. So I want negative. Feels a little better. Still can't get on it with any kind of authority. Kind of a turtle's pace. Whoa. Steering is better than expected. I just don't have any rear grip. I'm gonna need rear pins. Sorry, I'm a hazard out here on my 2-wheel drive. Yeah, I need a more appropriate rear tire, but other than that, it's okay. I'm just kind of rolling it. This is going to be boring to watch, but just wanted to try it, see it if I could do it. Yeah, I can't do any of the jumps. I can get around. If I keep my momentum up, I can get around. I just can't do any of the jumps. We've got a lot of feedback going on with the mic system. All right, I may have to swap my sprinters back and forth. That's my only set, unless I borrow a set of rear pins. Yeah, anyway. I can get around. It's not a competitive pace whatsoever. Okay. All right, so that was my first little test here at SDLRC. I'm also pitting out of my truck. So this is my Maverick Hybrid, which I will be able to turn on the ignition, and that gives me a electrical power. It's only 400 watts, but it's enough for me to run a fan, my charger, charge my batteries, run my lights, do everything I need for just a simple 10th scale electric race. And the engine won't be running the whole time because it's a hybrid, so it'll just charge its own battery and then turn on and off as it needs to keep my electronics running. That's the plan. We'll see how it goes through the evening. Alright guys, if you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. If you want to subscribe, if you want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching. I'm on the hunt to see if I can borrow some pin tires now. A lot of people come with a lot of tires. A lot of people are a lot more prepared than I am. I'm just here for some fun, trying to see if I can get around with what I've got.